dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello everyone. I'm so happy to see you again. Today we're going to have a very fun and exciting day. It's Knight's Day in the Chess Kingdom. Come on, let's go and find our knights and see where they are right now. Oh, hello my lovely horses. How are you doing? I decided to invite the chess knights today to tell us how they move and why they're different from other pieces. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with the white knight. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to see you. Today, I want to show you how I move and what makes me special compared to other chess pieces. I have a very unique move. It's really interesting, both how I move and how it looks. My move looks like the letter L. Look, here's how I do it. 2 squares forward, 1, 2, and 1 square to the left, 3. That's how I do it. Let's do it one more time. A jump shape like the letter L, just like that. Let's do it again. 1 step forward, 2nd step forward, and the 3rd step to the right, just like that. Now let's invite the Black Knight. Let's ask him to tell us how he moves and what the Black Knight can do. Hello everyone, I'm the Black Knight and I move exactly the same way as the White Knight. Let me show you how. 1 square forward, another square forward, and 1 square to the right. Just like that. Now, let's tell our little viewers that we, the chess knights, are the only pieces in our kingdoms that can jump over other pieces. That's because we are the jumpiest pieces in the whole chess kingdom. Ha ha ha. Now I'll show you how we do it. I need 3 black pawns to help me. 1, 2, 3. Look, just like this. Like this. Now I'll show you how we capture pieces in chess. For that, I need 3 white pawns. 1st pawn, 2nd pawn, 3rd pawn. Watch carefully how I do it. I jump in the shape of the letter L, and if there's a piece on that square, like a pawn, I simply capture the piece and land right there on that square. Just like that. And that's our story, friends. You listened so well, and we hope you remembered everything right. Now we invite you to our Chess Olympics. The Knights Olympics. We'll have long jumps, high jumps, and hurdle races. Come with us. It's going to be a wonderful day.
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet, a happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.